What's up, guys? We got a 2011 Chrysler 300 in here. We did a straight pipe system for him because he kind of just wants to scream a little bit. So we deleted the mufflers here in the middle, or the mid mufflers. Yeah, deleted the mid mufflers in the middle, replaced them with 2 1/4 piping, and then we deleted the rear mufflers or rear resonators. Not sure how they separate them, but same thing. Deleted them, 2 1/4 piping, and then we put some 4.5-inch G exhaust burnt tips on there for him. All right, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Diwali, whatever you celebrate. Just have a good time. Cheers to that.
As loud as possible, is that it?
I mean, I ain't gonna say loud as possible, but yeah.
What's your next mod?
Them headers?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
you're throwing some headers?
Yeah, I'm gonna throw them BBK headers on here probably.
Were you concerned that it was gonna be a little bit not as loud as you wanted it to?
Nah, it's just right.